Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials out of the way. Charge the Boult smartwatch above 50% and power it on. Next, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone, then install and open the official Boult app. Once the app is open, tap Add Device and follow on-screen pairing prompts. Make sure the watch appears as connected. After pairing, keep the app active and allow required permissions. This establishes the link the watch needs to receive time settings automatically and is the only reliable route. Once paired, go straight to the device settings in the Boult app and select time and date. Here, enable automatic time sync to mirror your phone's clock, or if you prefer, pick manual and choose the correct time zone and format. After selecting your option, tap sync or save, then wait for the app to confirm the update. Make sure the watch stays nearby during sync. Bluetooth interruptions will prevent changes. This step writes the correct time to the watch firmware, which is why the app is required. Finish by verifying the watch displays the updated time on its face. If it doesn't, restart the watch and recheck. If issues persist, unpair the device inside the Boult app, uninstall and reinstall the app, then repair and sync again. Make sure your phone's time and time zone are accurate, and that the Boult app has Bluetooth, location, and background permission. These are common blockers. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache or toggle phone airplane mode briefly to reset Bluetooth, then attempt a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.